Since the end of beginning, can sense your goodbye. I'm feeling more than I'm feeling, wondering what went on your mind. You never gave us chance to really try, but news are really stood behind you. I didn't know what to say, or would it ever stop the spinning wheel? And I hope somehow that you're happy now, 'cause with all my right, more reason it's crying season again. Whether you're wrong or right, it don't matter if it's the end. Whether I'm right or wrong, it don't make a difference, my friend. Somehow that you're happy now, 'cause with all my right, more reason it's crying season again.
Hi guys, good evening. So, huwag niyong papansinin kung ang patla-patla ko na and everything. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na mag-adapt sana ako ng doggy. But, I'm not sure kung kaya ko mag-commit. Pero, let's try, diba? Gusto ko talaga eh. Ito yung parang fifth dog na napili ko. Ito yung iba. Yan sila, yan na yung iba. Ito hindi nyo naman yata makikita, pero ayan na sila. Ayan ang mga napili ko. Oh my god. Siya yung pinakauna. So, kinumpit ko, actually sinearch ko, 28 months is 2 years old na daw. Pero sabi dito, 1 year old pa lang siya. So, pwede pa siya. Pwede pa si Adi. Si Rio, ang cute nyo. Kaya lang 4 years old na siya. Tapos ang ganda ng story niya. Look, oh, ang ganda ng eyes. Next is si Roxy. Si Roxy is 2 months old pa lang. Ay, 8 months old. Pero, medyo ayoko yung face niya. Tsari. Nag-cute naman siya. So, wait lang. So, bale, itong dalawa, go. Roxy. Cute naman siya eh. Ito, gusto ko din to. Ang cute niya. Mas ang cute pa ng description niya. Si Charlie din. Si Charlie. Eto, ang cute. Ang cute niya rin. Ano ba yan? Hirap naman pumili. Tingnan niyo itong mga amo ng mukha. Ay, nako. Sino to si Torio? 8 months? Ay, 10 months? Ganda naman siya. Ah, so okay. Si Roxy and si Torio. Sen? Pangkit ka din, oh. Pati si Sue. Si Tiger. Okay na naman siya. Ano? Hirap mamili. Yun.
I will not wait for you. I was on my way. What am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't
Hey guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung nakakulayan ko today. So, I was trying to do a social detox, ano? So, this is one way to achieve ang social detox na yun. So, ito siya. Wait. Tada! Ayan siya. Pero hindi malinis yung pagkakakulay, ha? So, dapat tignan mo lang siya dito. May langgam pa. Boosh! Bye!
They say true love's the greatest weapon to win the war caused by pain.
Bye!
Every diamond has imperfection.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye, love you!
I love you too. Bye-bye.